see, basically the aircraft is really quite full now. This is the stretcher that the patient lay on, and obviously we have 3 big bags on her at the moment, which is a packaging bag from the very bottom to the monitor medical bag, if you like, which is full of the medical bits and pieces that we attend to, and medical drugs and spares also. And then we obviously always carry to scene as our trauma bag, which is the top blue one here. So yet again, it's got medical drugs, drugs we use for trauma, fluids, and everything we need really for the scene. So when we arrive on the scene, we'll take our monitor, and certainly the medical bag, and certainly the trauma bag, just to scene, and suction. Within the aircraft also we have 3 cylinders of oxygen and 2 ventilators. One ventilator we tend to leave here for the patient coming in, and the other ventilator is what we take to scene, which is a small mobile device. We also carry an auxiliary box which is full of all spare equipment, life jackets from when working around the water, and obviously personal protective equipment such as helmets and gloves, and fluorescent jackets.